my channel, and here I'll be explaining how you can use ChatGPT to write your research proposal, to write your research literature review, and to also write your research methodology. So just log into Google and go to ChatGPT. Don't go for the full one because that you have to pay. So go to the OpenAI, as you can see on the screen. If you go for the other one, it's not free. You have to pay for it. So now just log in. You can just go to login and then open with your Google account. So just type whatever you want to search for, generate research proposal for the topic that you want. Just put the topic, put it exactly, and then just ChatGPT will just come up with research proposal ideas for you. And this is actually help you to brainstorm, and it's going to help you to think about ideas that will make you kickstart your project, after which you can input your gotten ideas into PubMed or Google Scholar and have your full research done. Yeah, so basically, as you can see here, this is a research proposal, and ChatGPT has already rated some responses and ideas for me already, as you can see. So I have the research objective, literature review, theoretical framework, sampling, data analysis, ethical consideration, expected outcomes, sampling. So yeah, I just go to generate research proposal ideas, and then I have everything all set up, and I just give the command to ChatGPT, and yeah, it gives me the idea I need. So if you want to brainstorm, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm, but just know that ChatGPT will not give you everything you need for your complete project. You still need to do your own work. Now I just want to do the literature review, so I'll just command ChatGPT to provide a detailed literature review for I'll put up the topic. You have to be very detailed in inputting the information to ChatGPT, else you might not just get what you want, or ChatGPT will just give you very shabby results, and it won't be that detailed, but for academic research, you need a very detailed work. So you need to put in all the information you need. If you need to put all your research questions into ChatGPT, yeah, please do. Put the research questions, put the significance of the study there, so ChatGPT will be able to give you detailed information. And even if ChatGPT is giving you detailed information, doesn't mean you're going to use everything just like that for your work. ChatGPT just acts like a guide, just to guide you around your work and make life more easy for you. Like, instead of you having to go back and forth with going here and there asking, what can I put here, what idea can I, you just going to study, and this just makes everything easy. You just know, okay, I need to research on this aspect, I need to research more on this, I need to add this point to my work and all that. Yeah, and then it will help you to get your work fast, get your work done on time. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just putting all what I need. So I just try to add all the research questions I feel would be useful in helping ChatGPT to generate appropriate answers for me. But please note that citations in ChatGPT are actually very fake, and it's not a very reliable reference to base an academic research on. However, it can actually provide you with all the necessary tips that you need to get your project and research rolling, So yeah, I'll say AI is here to stay 1 second. So for me, I just added all the old research questions I want to get. And then, yeah. So this is ChatGPT giving me all the old things I need. Not all the old things, mind you. Not all, because a proper research is more than this, But at least it's giving me most of the ideas. And here, at least I have something to say, I can work on, or in case I've been blank, I know I now have something. So if you're wondering how to also write your chapter 3 methodology, you can also use it. Just input all the information you want ChatGPT to give to you, and you can also copy the You can go to PubMed or Google Scholar, look for a research that is related to your work and copy the abstract or copy any aspect that you want and paste it in ChatGPT. More like you say, I want you to generate a research review with this, with this abstract from below and something like that, and it will actually give you something related. So you can just maneuver it just any way you want it, but just make sure that you're imputing the right information, you're giving the right commands. Yeah, that's the word. Giving the right commands to ChatGPT, else you would get very shabby work. If you're wondering which method to use for your research methodology, you can just ask ChatGPT and it can give you a method to go about it. If you want to generate keywords from your abstract, you can just input all your abstract into ChatGPT and tell it to generate 5 keywords. I hope this video was helpful to guide you in research proposal, literature review, and methodology. Thank you for watching.